Okay, so this is pretty much just going over Chapter 2 vocabulary of points, lines, and planes. And you should take all these notes on the 2 papers that I gave you in class and told you to go into your journal. The first one looks like this, and the second one should look one side like this, and then another side like this. So we're going to start off with point. So if I'm drawing a point model, sorry, pen is weird. So it's just like that, and it's drawn as a dot, named by a capital letter. In facts, it has no size and no shape. Words has symbols, so I capital letter as just, if I want to write it in words, it's just point P. Line. So this is what a line looks like. So I need 2 points for my line. It's drawn, it has an arrowhead on each end. So we can either name it by 2 points, or we can name it by a lowercase cursive letter. So if I come up here and have 2 points A, B, but I can also, if I have like a little M right there, I can name that line M as well. Okay, and facts, it has no width or height. And then words are symbols, so to name my line, on my picture above I have AB with arrowheads, or I can also name it line M for that lowercase m as well. Okay, and last is plane. So planes are usually drawn like this. And then I have points in between. So X, oh that's a Z, Y, X, and I have an S over here. Okay, so it's drawn as a slanted 4-sided figure. So in order to make a plane, you need 3 points. So I can't make a plane if I just have 2 points. And, or like a line has 2 different ways you can name it, a capital letter. Facts, no height. And it goes forever in all directions. So when I'm naming a plane, I can either name this plane X, Y, Z, and it doesn't matter what order the letters go in, or I can name this plane S. If you look, my S doesn't have a dot, it's not a point, so I can just name it plane S as well. Okay, we're going to move on to not to the next page, but one second. So behind, or not, on the same page as that, I just want to talk about a few things about lines. about points, lines, and planes, sorry. So if you want a title, points, lines, well, I can't write that. Doesn't want to write the top part of the E in line. Okay. That's the most terrible thing I've ever seen. Okay. Okay, points, lines, and planes. Took me 30 seconds just to write the E. So these terms are considered undefined. And they're undefined because they have no definition. They can't really be explained using examples and descriptions. So they're undefined because no definition. I mean, we can give definitions to them, but there's no common definition that anyone uses for a point, line, or a plane. Okay, and then 2 facts that you should know. That 2 points always define a line. Define, so always make a line. And then 3 points always define a plane. So 2 points, I need 2 points for a line, and I need at least 3 points for a plane. Okay, this next sheet I think we're going to save for next time, so we'll fill this sheet out in class and only have you do that first one. Yeah, and I will see you next time in class. Bye. And remember, your projects are due, if you're A day, they're due Thursday. And if you're B day, they're due Friday. And B day, you have a test on Wednesday, if you're watching this now. Okay, good luck.